Friends, while saying sorry is kind and polite, but saying thank you has a certain type of power. When we say thank you, in place of sorry, we replace negativity with positivity. Don't say sorry, I forgot it. You can say thank you for reminding me. Hello everyone, welcome to Sunita Sood Vlogs and I am Sunita Sood. Friends, conversation is an art. बातचीत करना भी एक कला है. We should always try to improve our conversation skill. Today I will tell you how to replace sorry with thank you. Firstly, why should we replace sorry with thank you? हमें सॉरी की जगह थैंक यू क्यों बोलना चाहिए? Friends, while saying sorry is kind and polite, but saying thank you has a certain type of power. It is used to express gratitude and appreciation. When we say thank you, in place of sorry, we replace negativity with positivity. Circle of I am sorry is broken. And it is powerful. Friends, now I will give you some examples how can we replace sorry with thank you. Don't say sorry, I take up so much space. You can say thank you, appreciating my presence. Don't say sorry, I forgot it. You can say thank you for reminding me. Don't say sorry, I'm not making so much of sense. You can say thank you for understanding me. Don't say sorry, I'm just venting. You can say thank you for listening to me. Don't say sorry, I am late. You can say thank you for waiting for me. Don't say sorry, I have been needy lately. You can say thank you for helping me out. Don't say sorry, I made a mistake. You can say thank you for pointing out my mistake. Don't say sorry, I can't make it today. You can say thank you for inviting me. Don't say I'm sorry for being emotional. You can say thank you for loving me. Sorry, I am such a disappointment. Say thank you for believing in me. Don't say I am sorry, I have been distant. You can say thank you for being understanding. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और शेयर करें. मेरे चैनल सुनीता सूद व्लॉग्स को सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं जल्दी ही एक नई वीडियो के साथ, नए व्लॉग के साथ. बाय बाय.